Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make with help of the Pixlab. For this purpose must watch full video because I have guided you step by step in this tutorial very easily. So friends, I have shown you all the steps very clearly by the touching on them. If you want to use this PLP file, follow my steps. I hope you will understand easily. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like this video. Please like, comment, share my video and subscribe my channel for new easy tricks and all kind of editing material.
Please support me by like, comment, subscribe and sharing my videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video very soon. Allah Hafiz.